Good morning student. Now welcome to standard 8 subject SS lesson 7 following the Mahatma part 1. इस पहले लेसन की अभी हम वीडियो आपको दिखा रहे हैं इस लेसन से रिलेटेड। उससे पहले भी 2 वीडियो में आपका इस लेसन को अच्छी तरह मैंने एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है, लेकिन आपको और अच्छी तरह से समझ में आए गांधी जी के बारे में और उनके सत्याग्रह के बारे में, तो इसके लिए हम आपको ये वीडियो के द्वारा लेसन बताना चाहते हैं। ओके, नाउ स्टार्ट।
Legislatures, government-controlled educational institutions, prices, foreign jobs and books were all completely welcomed. The second aspect was towards constructive aspect. Carving programs related to eradicate untouchability, humanist minority, racial prohibition, to propagate tradition and national education. As a result of the Khilafat agitation, a Hindu minority was established in the country. On account of Khilafat agitation, programs related to non-cooperation gained momentum. Non-cooperation originated from Khilafat agitation. Gandhiji initiated non-cooperation agitation with the cooperation of Indians. It was natural that the British would lose their power without cooperation from the Indians. Villages in the entire nation started organizing movements. National schools and universities were established in the cities. People went covering bonfires of foreign talk. In this way, a large part of the country was on the brink of a formidable revolt. Mahatma Gandhi initiated non-cooperation agitation, dropping the title KCIM in the month of December in the annual Congress session, which came Nagpur in 1920. The non-cooperation movement was passed with a thumping majority. According to the Constitution, as a part of the struggle against the government, people were asked to boycott governments, schools and colleges providing English education, government functions, courts, local self-government organizations, legislatures, and foreign groups.
क्या बता रहे हैं नॉन कॉपरेशन? क्या बोल रहे हैं नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट के बारे में कि वहाँ उस समय जो है क्या कहते हैं, उन्होंने कॉपरेट नहीं किया किस पर, जो स्कूल कॉलेज जो प्रोवाइडिंग इंग्लिश एजुकेशन यानी कि जो ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से ऑनरेबल था उनको जो है उन्होंने बाइकआउट किया और गवर्नमेंट फंक्शन को बाइकआउट किया, कोर्ट्स को एंड लोकल सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को, लेजिस्लेशन का को, फॉरेन गुड्स को, एंड पीपल और आस्क्ड टू बाइकआउट। इन सब के लिए जो है ना सबको उन्होंने नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट में क्या किया था, इन सब का बाइकआउट किया था, यानी कि इनको अपने से हटाया था ताकि जो है आगे जो है लोग और जागरूक हो और इन सबको कुछ पूछना है बेटा, कुछ पूछना है, इन सबको अपने जीवन से अलग हटाएं। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट आइटम।
Gandhi undertook a tour around the country to propagate the struggle against the government. As a result, many of the students and teachers left the school. Well-known warriors like Motilal Nehru, Vallabhbhai Patel, Jawaharlal Das, Rajendra Prasad, and Rajgopal Chari left their advocacy and joined the revolt. All members of the legislature and local self-government organizations also attended. Most of the government's personnel was not from the legislature and local self-government organizations. Many of the government workers left their jobs and did bonfire of foreign groups. Everywhere, the spinning wheel was seen on the road. Propagation of Swadeshi took speed. Students became volunteers and raised food. Agitation was done against the people favoring government. Arbitrary courts started working, and workers of tea plantation of Assam, industrial centers, and urans went on strike. also boycotted. These kinds of other steps led the feeling of nationalism. On the other hand, national schools and colleges were established. Delhi, Kashi, Bihar, Jamia Millia Islamia, and Gujarat were the national universities.
नेशनल कॉलेजेस एस्टैब्लिश किए तो आज भी
The incident of Chharanchora and suspension of the movement. A violent incident took place in 1922 in Uttar Pradesh near Gorakhpur in a village named Chharanchora. British police fired haphazardly in a procession which became uncontrollable. The common people were fired at in that incident. After that, when the police had exhausted their cartridges, they went into police station and locked themselves over there to escape from the wrath of the people. The people in their anger set the police station on fire. 22 policemen were down. Though the Jews greatly grieved by this violent incident. Earlier, he himself propagated to secure independence within India with non-violent activities. But after the incident of Chauri Chaura, he realized that people did not understand the principle of non-violence. Hence, he suspended the movement. Gandhi undertook the constructive work in the rural areas after the non-cooperation agitation was over. Two important developments of the mid-1920s were the formation of the Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh, or RSS, and the Communist Party of India. These parties have had very different ideas about the kind of country India should be. Activity. Take as if it is the year 1920 and you are a student of a government school. Make a poster for the students so that they can join the non-cooperation movement. Facts 2. How did the people view Mahatma Gandhi? In Assam, people in the neighborhood shouting, "When will the master jail?" demanded a big increase in their wages. Interestingly, in the Assamese Vaishnava songs of the period, the reference to Krishna was substituted by Yamuniraja. Simon Commission, 1927. In November 1927, the British government in India decided to send a commission headed by John Simcoe to decide India's political future. The commission of 7 had no Indian representatives among them. Only Indian members could understand the local people's problems properly, but all the members of the commission were English. This decision created an outrage in India. All political groups decided to boycott the commission. When the commission arrived at Mumbai port, it was met with demonstrations with bands saying Solomon Gordon. It was opposed in the entire nation with street meetings and processions. A procession was attacked by lathi charge in Lahore, in which Nana Rajgopal was severely injured and passed away after some days. Time to discuss. Arrange a discussion on the topic given here. Reasons and solutions to the opposition for any decision at local level. Pros and cons of the violent and non-violent agitation. Vargola Satyagraha 1928. The government raised the revenue by 22% in Vargola Taluka in the year 1927. The Peasants' Council of Vargola Taluka agitated against the enhanced revenue rate. In 1928, farmers decided to start Satyagriha. Vallabhbhai Patel accepted its leadership. Support was extended by the volunteers like Ravi Shankar Maharaj and Jagadhara Davi. The farmers became fearless and started breaking laws. They were encouraged by speeches delivered by Vallabhbhai Patel. In the end, Vallabhbhai Patel was called to point in the presence of all the farmers' representatives. The rebellion was justified and decided. Bipolar Satyagraha became a lesson for the farmers of the entire nation. It raised the self-confidence of the farmers and common people. The successful Satyagraha led Vallabhbhai Patel got in the name of the party, Sardar. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel played an important role in the negotiations for independence during 1945 to 47. A foremost organizer of the freedom movement from 1980 onwards, Patel served as president of the Congress in 1921. Facts 2. Power of our words. Satyagraha means the persuasion for truth. It was such an experience to the British that the word Satyagraha was included in the English vocabulary in the 20th century. Now, this word in English means no more explanation. It is a moral movement against the misuse of authority. This Satyagraha inspired Martin Luther King and Nelson Mandela. Today, the word Satyagraha can be used for anything in the world. This word has become international. Nehru Report, 1928. A conference having the representatives of all political parties of India met in Delhi in February 1928. A committee was formed under the chairmanship of Motilal Nehru in order to frame our constitution. He prepared a constitutional draft which would later be appreciated by all the parties. This came to be known as Nehru Report. It was rejected by the British government. The resolution for complete freedom in 1929. After the Simon Commission, all the leaders along with Gandhiji became convinced that the British didn't want to give anything concrete to India. There was no other alternative but to find a solution for complete independence, other than the Satyagraha movement, which was aimed at self-rule. The entire India was revitalized with the call for complete independence by the famous leadership of young generation leaders like Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru, and Satyamurthy. The Congress called a conference at Lahore under the leadership of Jawaharlal Nehru. The Congress also called for complete independence. On the midnight of 31st of December 1929, near the bank of River Rhine, Nehru unfurled our national flag with the slogans like Vande Mataram and Inqilaab Zindabad, and pledged with all workers for the attainment of Purna Swaraj. Along with this, the Congress had stated that on 26th of January, entire India would celebrate the day as Independence Day. From that day onwards, 26th of January 1930 became a memorable day for all Indians. On that day, the Congress took the oath of freedom on 26th January 1930. The Indian Constitution was enforced on the same day, on 26th January, in the memory of this day. Facts 2. Mahatma Gandhi had once become the president of the Congress conference held at Belgaum in 1924.
हाँ यस, चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं टेस्ट के लिए, जेंडर टेस्ट। नहीं 10 मिनट सिर्फ सही है, 20 मिनट्स मत करो, 10 मिनट। Yes. Who started the non-cooperation movement? गांधी जी। ओके, चलिए गांधी जी। यस, हाँ यस। नेक्स्ट है, विच सत्याग्रह डिड गांधी जी स्टार्ट इन बिहार इन 1970? यस, चंपारण सत्याग्रह। Which movement get moment between 1921 and 1922? Yes. Under which law could anyone be arrested without giving any reason? C. Yes. When did Gandhi ji start the Satyagrah ashram at Kochrab, Ahmedabad?
1915।
आपके पास टेक्स्ट बुक भी खुली है और यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है कि सत्याग्रह आश्रम इन कोचरब, अहमदाबाद। What slogan was raised? Simon Gobel. Next, who wrote My Experiment with
गांधी। मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी।
एक एक करके बोलिए, हम आपको चांस देते हैं।
On
On 26 January 1930, the Congress Convention passed a resolution for complete independence.
How many members did the student?
How many members did the Simon Commission have? अब बताओ।
9
बुक्स खोलिए।
देखा मैं 7 में राइट था।
हाँ?
ये राइट।
एक मिनट, 1 मिनट। तुम ये
02 हो गया। मोहनदास गांधी।
1 मिनट, अभी नहीं, ऐसे नहीं आप लोग बोलोगे। हाँ, स्टॉप करके रखो, ठीक है। चलो लास्ट पेज। यस, पढ़िए और आंसर दीजिए इसका। आ जाइए आगे। बोलिए, क्वेश्चन पढ़िए और आंसर
Who
दीजिए।
gave the order for freezing on a
पीसफुल, हाँ,
unarmed crowd without giving any warning at
जलियांवाला बाग।
Jallianwala
क्या बोला? जनरल डायर।
Jallianwala
मुझे दबाओगे ना लाइन आ रही है नहीं नहीं लाइन आ रही
D
है
R
डी।
लाइन आ रही है
D
तो रॉन्ग है आंसर।
Karate
डी। तो फिर चलो मौलिक। स्टॉप। हाँ मौलिक।
देख लाइन आ रही है क्लिक करके
अरे पूरा क्वेश्चन आप पढ़िए।
क्लिक करके
ए बी सी डी ये बोलिए ना। सी। ओके एक मिनट। लास्ट बेंच बेटा। एक मिनट आपको नहीं बोलना है, जिसको टर्न है वही बोलेगा। क्वेश्चन पढ़िए बेटा। हाँ वेर इज गांधी समाधि। नहीं नहीं आप बताएंगी, ये तो इतना इजी आंसर है। आपको मालूम है ना ये वीडियो ऑन है, ये 1 बाय 1 पूछ रहे हैं बच्चों से, तो जिसका नाम लिया है वही बताएगा आंसर। आपको मालूम है क्या बोला? डी। ओके डी राइट है। राजघाट, कितना टाइम लगा राजघाट बोलने में? एक Where was गांधीजी born? हाँ बोलो। हाँ पोरबंदर। ओके हाँ अब बताओ। यस।
and D R Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
Who headed the constitutional committee set up in February 1928? सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल नहीं, मोतीलाल नेहरू। यस पूजा बोलो।
गांधी स्कूल नेम वाज मोहनदास करमचंद।
ये तो बहुत इजी है। हाँ नेक्स्ट आप बताइए।
अब ये बोल के दिखाओ मान जा।
हाँ
What did Gandhiji call the laureate act? Option A black act. ब्लैक होगा ना पिंक।
यस राइट आंसर। ओके नेक्स्ट। एक मिनट शांत है शांत। आप बताइए। यस
What was the time that the government made on the tax of the part?
यस ओके नाउ नेक्स्ट। ऐसे कैसे बढ़ जाता है? हाँ ये आया। ओके यस बोलो। यस हाँ आप
What's covered was released by the protesters against the Simon Commission C. Sorry, A.
साइमन जो हुआ है। ये फिर से वापस रिपीट हुआ है क्वेश्चन।
नेक्स्ट दबाते ना तो पूरा 60 में चले जाएगा।
हाँ मोनिका। In which year was Sardar Patel the president of the Congress?
कौन से साल?
1928. Make show answer. 1931. Okay. Next. Okay. On dash April Baisakhi Day, a meeting was announced at Jallianwala Bagh to the pay homage to the martyrs. Yes. 13. Okay. हाँ yes. 13 अप्रैल जो है ना, याद रखना बैसाखी डे होता है, उसी दिन ये जो है कांड हुआ था. नेक्स्ट. ओके. अंडर विच लॉ कुड एनीवन बी अरेस्टेड विदाउट गिविंग एनी रीजन? यस भरत.
रॉलेट एक्ट.
ओके. देखो भाई. वेरी गुड. बहुत अच्छा. नेक्स्ट. अब जिसका टर्न. यस बेटा तुम बोलो. यस हाँ. In 1929 AD, the Congress convened Lahore Conference under the leadership of
1929 AD लिख दिया. सी की जगह AD लिख दिया.
Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay. Now, मेरा yes. Good. Now, thank you very much.